Hi everyone, thank you for all your prayers. So, after 21 days, uh, today, or you can say yesterday, I have done the third test because the second time I was tested positive again. So, yesterday was my 22nd day, I did the testing again, and finally, I have been tested negative for the COVID 19. So, in the previous video, I had shared my experiences and things which I have faced from day 1 to day 7. And after day 7, I didn't have that extreme body issues or extreme sickness which I had faced in the first 7 days. There were two symptoms which I have skipped on my previous video. So I had there was no smell or taste, and there was also throat pain I was facing, which I skipped on the previous video. So the taste, food taste and the smell, I have regained that after day 12. You can say yes, after day 12 I have regained that. So after day 7, or you can say after day 10, and mostly after day 12, things were mostly normal. I was I had much energy compared to the previous days, and symptoms were like, usually I don't had any symptoms at that period of time, but it was like that every 2 consecutive days, like 2 days I will be all okay and I will be all fine. Like, and every 2 consecutive day, on the third day, suddenly I will feel a lot of sickness. Sometimes I will have the fever back, or the body ache, it's also back. So this thing was going on after like every 2 days or after 3 days. Suddenly I would become very sick, and it's like next day when I woke up, everything is okay and I'm all right. So body ache, I was facing it till, yeah, like same thing had happened till yesterday, or like yesterday also it happened. So I believe this is a part of the post COVID recovery, as I have talked with many of my friends, and they are facing who have recovered from the COVID, they are also facing the same things. And also it is different from for many, like for the other people's, like this infection symptoms, all the things which I have talked with people, or with I have got to know that these things differ. Some people have lot of sickness or lot of symptoms, and some people would not have all the symptoms. So for me, like after every 2 consecutive days, I'm facing this body ache, or sometimes fever, or sometimes a lot of cough. So this was my post COVID, like my journey or the experience I'm facing after day 7, from the last video which I had shared. And I had started a little bit walking inside my room only, inside my room only. So currently I'm extremely weak, I can say extremely weak, because before COVID, like I used to walk like minimum 10,000 step I used to complete every day. I'm bit concerned about my fitness, so I always do this 10,000 steps every day. So now it's like 1,000 steps also, it's like I feel very tired, and also all together I cannot complete the 1,000 steps, so I will have to do it on 2 parts or 3 parts. And sometime like yesterday and day before yesterday, I had extreme body pain, so I was not able to do anything. I was literally resting my body, and I was literally sleeping. So these things I'm facing after that day 10 or day 12, I can say. So I believe it's a part of this post COVID recovery. So I have got a messages from some people like, are you willing to donate plasma? Yes, I received a call from government. You, whenever you are tested COVID positive, you will receive a call from government, and they had mentioned the requirements of that plasma donation. So I'm like planning to donate for the plasma once it's after 14 days post negative, they had mentioned. So I'm planning to do that. We'll check the details later on in like in briefly or more precisely. So this was my journey till now, and I am like having a proper food diet to regain my strength, and trying every possible way to regain my strength. And really thanks, I want to really thank everyone for supporting me mentally in this isolation period. My friends who have been messaging me every day about my health and how I am, for playing online games with me. And also a big thank to my mother, like, who had given me nutritious food and have taken care of my diet, and she's still taking care of it. I hope I will regain my strength very soon. And that's all. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.